So hey, how's it going on, guys? Supersonic here, and you're watching another video on my YouTube channel. So this video's topic is that I have covered it before, but with a little twist. Okay, so in my previous videos, I have made a video about Construct 3 software, that how you can make games using that software. But in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can make games without coding using an online website in your browser itself, and then share it and publish it. Okay, so uh like showing all the steps in this video is next to impossible because that website is so huge. So I will just make some parts of this videos, like some parts of this video series, so that you can watch all those videos and learn about the software more. So today's video's topic is world creation, so let's get started. And one more thing I have to tell you guys, that I have updated my laptop to Windows 11. If you want to know how to update your PC to Windows 11, if it is Windows 10, then please tell down in the comment section. I will make a video on that too. So let's get started with this video. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is open your Chrome browser or any browser you have. With like, don't think that if I have updated to Windows 11 means this thing will only work on Windows 11. Okay, this will work on any Mac, Windows, anything. So you have to open and type Adventure Box game. Otherwise, you can just make like, you can just go down in the description and check the link there. So if you are searching here, then you have to go on https://www.adventurebox.com and click on this link. So here we are at the adventurebox.com website. You can see so many games are here. It's like the Minecraft game only, with the blocks and everything. I will get one more software. You can check from that also. So the first thing you have to do here is, here you can see this login button. You can sign in from Google, Facebook, Discord, or Microsoft, or just make an account. Or like if you have logged in, otherwise you have to do the sign up. Here you have to give your birth date and everything. So let's check. I'll give my birth date here. It's not 2021, it's 20. This is the date, this is the month. Okay, so let's get, and now we have to give our email. Okay, so you can just take any email and you can make your password here. I will just give a many password and then click sign up. Okay, I believe that I will meet you after the sign up process. Okay, so guys, my account has been created and it will send me an email. So I'll just log in and meet you after that. Okay, so guys, I have registered. I have made an account here. So when you make an account, this page will open and you can access all these games. You can play them, or even but in this game we are like in this website we are gonna make. So you have to check this left panel and click on make option here. Make option. It will take a little bit of time. Okay, now it's done. Now you can have these all options, like you can for make a flat land. Okay, or you can import a 2D image, you can make a terrain, you can import a place from the map, Google Maps, you can import a Minecraft world, and you can import from Cubicle, or you can import from Magic a voxel. I don't know what's this. Okay, if you know, then you can post it down in the comment section. So we will go through all this except this one because I don't know, and this also. So you first will go to make a new flatland. So this is the main thing. So it will create, it will take a little bit of time and it will make the flatland. Okay, now it's done. Let's check it now. Okay, and it's done. Now here you can have the all the things. Okay, right plus track to rotate the camera. You can like see that rotate. We can rotate the camera like this, and it will give you a tutorial. But like we don't know on this, so I will skip the tutorial and meet you. Okay, so guys, I have skipped the tutorial, and now here you can check the interface of the Flatland block editor. You can see here there's the address of the thing also. So here first you can see the down panel, which is here. You can have the menu and the options, the edit world details. You can publish it, you can preview your game in the play mode, you can open the quest list. We'll talk about that later. You can toggle this grid using the C button. You can see here it's C. You can choose the all the like blocks you can use from the C button. Okay, I'll just close that, and here you can see the map has appeared with the C button, these blocks and the map. Okay, you can see the map here too. And now here you can see the uh, toggle night vision. Okay, here you can see the night vision. Yeah, here you can see the night vision also. You can like see everything like it's bright now. Okay, you can use N button, and you can take a snapshot with the P button, and you can toggle between orbit camera system and the fly camera system with the F button. Okay, this is the fly camera system, and when you press F, it's the orbit camera system. Here you can just you can here just, yeah, you see here you can use the map in the orbit system. Okay, we'll be in the fly camera only. So here you can see this everything, and here you can add some items, some models. You can use more items which you can pick up, and the sound palette, everything. We'll do detail about this in the next video. Now we'll move to next one. Okay, so now we'll choose the imported 2D image. Okay, now you have to choose a JPG or everything. You can choose anything. So let's see if I have, because I didn't know that it will be here. Okay, you can choose any JPG file format here. Like I have this JPG file. Let me just choose this. Like, let's see what kind of model is this. You can choose any model, and then install the model, and it will just install it. Okay, I will leave that. Now let's choose import a place. Okay, I will import a place, and here you can control and zoom. So scroll your mouse to choose any of the places here. Okay, I will choose India. Okay, okay, a little bit. Okay, yeah, now we'll import this place. Now it will take a little bit of time. Here you can see this will take time because you have to it have to scan everything and just make that. So I'll meet you after this. Okay, so it's done. Now let's check it out. So now this everything will be in shape of place with just select. Now where is that? Yeah, now you see there's C and okay. So wait, let me just okay, let me just yes, we'll move this. Yes, Now you can see this place will be in shape of the selected area, which means India. Like I can see here till from this up. Okay, so let's leave it. Now the area you've selected will be in this position. Okay, so this is how you can import from the map. Okay, now next one. Now we'll see make a terrain. Let's go. Now here you will get the options. You make a small terrain, you make a medium terrain, or you make a large terrain. So large terrain will take the the most time. The larger it is, the more time it takes. So I will use the small terrain for the sake of this video. And now you get three options. You get a desert, an arctic, or a temperate. So I'll choose temperate. And here, few hills, moderate hills, or extreme hills. Okay, I prefer extreme hills, but it will take time, so I will choose moderate hills. Let's go. And water level, I'll choose low water level. And now a random seed. Okay, let's just put supersonic for sake of this video, or you can just leave it blank too. Just create the world. Now it will create the world with the seed. You can see supersonic seed, it's there. So I'll meet after the world is created. Okay, the world is created, and now we'll check it out. It's taking a little bit of time. Okay, you can see here the trees. You can see. Oh, we're at a hilltop, tip top, hilltop. Okay, now you can see these are hills, moderate hills. You can explore everywhere here. Okay. No problem. So this is how you can create the worlds in the Adventure Box game maker, and I've showed you 4 ways to create the world. In the older versions of this website, there were only 3 ways you can create. Now this has made new ways. So this is the video. If you like this video, then comment in the comment section that what part did you like the most, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, until the next video, bye bye.